Oh, I'm sorry. I see you doing your makeup, but I'm American.
Hi, I'm Milan.
You seem to know a lot of people from my school.
Is that so?
Maybe I should know you. You go there?
Yeah, what year are you in?
I'll be a senior next year.
Really, what are you going for?
Beverly Hills High.
A West Coaster, that's the vibe you give me.
Well, not as true as you say. A West Coast boy. My father's a diplomat, and I've lived in a few places, but New York is what I call home.
Good choice! Hey, can you see my shimmer? I love it. Smells good.
Now that I met you, I'll thank my father, because New York is a splendid choice.
Okay, so do you like New Yorkers? Do you like New York?
Oh yeah, I do. New York is cool. And do you wanna Uber eat something like Chick-fil-A or something?
Yeah, Thai tea latte, I love it.
I got it.
I would love that.
Chai tea latte.
Chai tea latte.
Okay. And did you bring do you have a girlfriend still?
I don't think they have that something.
Oh. So chai tea latte.
Yes, please.
I'm
That
over.
would be. Do you mind? I will just keep clear my makeup on.
Good.
I love this mascara. Beauty in the City.
Where's it called?
Beauty in the City.
Yeah, they make your eyelashes look good.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, my eyes bigger. Perfect gift to be honest. It's a perfect gift.